Hi folks, today is March the 3rd. It's currently 8:50 in the morning. We're going to look at trading or trying out the Nodetrader setups again today. I did check to see if we had any news. And as you guys can see here, nothing really that's going to affect us. So we should be good on that front. So again, we're going to be trying the manual low volume node trades. We're going to be trying the trend trade setups and also the zone trade setups should we get them. For example, right here was a zone trade, but I wasn't at the computer to take it. Looks like it would have hit the first profit target right here. I'm not sure about the second. And we have the potential to take a short right here at this point. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys on our first print. Alright guys, we're coming up to this low volume node right here. I think we're going to have to use a 15 tick stop. So up to 37, see our stop will be right around there. So if we use a 15 tick stop, we'll be using a 15 tick take profit as well. We have this nice lower low right here, so hopefully the market will continue pushing up. We don't want to see any higher highs. We want the market just to give us a nice stream up, and hopefully it'll reverse at this level. Alright, I'm going to pause it and I'll be back if we get filled. Alright guys, this hasn't turned into a higher high yet, but as you guys can see, this high is a higher high, so it's possible this will turn into one. We might get that HH at the end of this bar right here, and if so, I'll go ahead and cancel it. We'll see what happens here momentarily.
Crude oil trade.
Yep, higher high.
Order canceled.
Alright, I'm going to pause it and I'll be back with you guys shortly. I just wanted to show this to you guys. If we would have been able to get up there, we would have been able to catch this move here. Just wanted to let you guys see it. Alright, be back shortly. Alright guys, we just got a scalp print here. We'll see if we get filled. I'm hoping we get a nice reversal out of this level.
CL. Order canceled.
Nope. Let's check that 2-minute chart. Alright, we got the high volume node right beneath us. So that could give us a bit of support at this level, 49.65. Alright, we'll just wait and see what happens here. I'll pause it and be back. Alright guys, we're moving up a little bit here, and as you can see, we have this low volume node right here. So we'll just have to wait and see if the market pulls up to it. Alright, if we get filled, I'll come back, or if we have to cancel it, I'll come back then as well. Alright guys, we're getting very close to getting filled here. We're about 1 tick away. I assumed we'd go ahead and get popped in here. Now I have to admit to you guys that we typically want to see our previous high, or this previous move right here, no more than 10 to 15 ticks away from our entry price. And right now, as you can see, 95 up to 14, so we're a little bit further away. So we're just gonna have to be patient here and see what happens. And after this large move down here, we did expect to have a nice retracement, and we did get that nice retracement. So it would be wonderful if we could get filled here before the market continues on.
scalp trade approaching.
Alright, so we weren't able to get filled yet, so let me pause it. Look at that. Look at that. Just ridiculous. We would have already hit our first 15 tick take profit. All we needed was one tick, folks. One tick. Right there is where our first take profit would have been hit.
scalp trade approaching.
Oh well. We'll see what happens here. We got a higher high now, so I'm exiting that trade.
Order cancelled.
Things like this happen. There's no telling what the market's going to do here, so I'm going to pause it and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, I'm seeing a zone trade here. You can see here we have this selling zone. Actually, let me move this up one tick. There it is. And we'll see if we get filled.
Order filled.
Alright, so we're now filled into that trade. Pull my stop up here. And it looks like our first take profit do this way. Next, I'm going to put this right above this selling zone. Alright, let me pause it and I'll come back to you guys. Typically, we like to see a stronger
scalp trade approaching.
selling zone, as this one's pretty weak here. It's pretty small. But we'll just we'll just wait and see what happens. Be back with you guys shortly. Alright folks, I just checked the 2-minute chart, and it looks like the high volume node is right here at 6.6. So I'm going to place that there. As you can see here, 49.66. I think that would be a safe place. And we also have this low volume node right here. So I feel comfortable placing the stop there. It's only 2 ticks a little higher, so won't make too much of a difference here. Alright, just wanted to update you guys. Be back shortly. Alright guys, we're pushing up here. Now let's see if this level holds or not. It's possible the market will push straight up through it. And it's also possible the market will reverse and continue pushing down. Either way, like I said before, this week we're just taking every trade. It's the only way we're going to learn from them. So we'll see what happens here. Hopefully we'll get a push down once this bar ends. Got 10 ticks remaining. Either we'll get a nice push down or it'll push up.
scalp trade approaching.
We got this naked low volume node here, so that's not a good sign.
Stop filled.
Alright, so the stop just got hit. But let me see here. Selling
Order
alert.
pending.
What we have here is another entry opportunity.
Order filled. CL scalp trade approaching.
All right. Like I said, folks, we're going to mix it up, make some mistakes here, and see what we can do. So 65 up to 75, and then 65 down to 55. So right here, 55. It's going to be our first level to take profit. And then we'll leave this second order here to run if the market gets down past this little buy zone here.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Alright, be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we have a print right here. So let's see what we can do with it. Selling a limit.
Order pending. Order filled.
Alright, so that got filled. This stop is going to be right there. But to manage these trades a little differently, obviously, folks. And we should have one take profit right here at 56. I'm not sure why that actually didn't get filled. Oh well. It is what it is, because you guys can see here, market came down right to it. So we'll see if we can't get a fill here shortly. Alright, first take profit is right here. That's 3. Second take profit, we can set that up right here. And then this original is for our manual low volume node trade. So hopefully this will continue holding.
CL scalp trade approaching. Stop filled.
Tell you those scalp trades. Alright, let's see what happens here with our manual low volume node. And again, typically you wouldn't take another trade when you're already in a trade. Want to make sure everybody knows I'm just taking everything.
Stop filled.
Alright. So our stop got filled there as well. Be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we have a buy print right here. We'll see if we get filled. It's a little bit rough right now, as you guys can see here. Let me bring this back up. Where's the 2-minute chart? Here it is. Alright, we have a sell zone right above us, and we're still stuck right around that high volume node. Market pushed up above it, came back down beneath it. Then here, came down, came up, came back down. So we're having some issues right now with long trades. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens here. And typically, like I said before, I wouldn't take a trade directly after a losing trade this close together. But we'll see what happens here.
Order canceled.
Alright, so we canceled that one. We'll see what the market does here. 9:57. Actually, I have a meeting this morning, so I'm not going to be able to trade as long as I would have liked to. I wanted to get at least another, well, I was hoping to get at least another hour in as far as just testing. And what I'm trying to do right now is just get comfortable taking some of these trades. Basically the same thing I did with the scalp trades initially, where I just took everything. So that's what I'm trying to do. I worry about trying to decipher things and look at support and resistance levels and things like that once I get comfortable taking the trade. So we're only at 16 minutes here. And we'll see if the market's going to push up past this level or not real quick. And again, definitely take a look at the EmpireAmbition.com website. The vendor, he has posted his, well, he's posted some of his trades in the room. I'm not sure if he's going to post them on the website, but I'm guessing he will. So you guys can see how he did today. And of course, he did have a winning day. He skipped several other trades that I took. And like I said, right now I'm just taking everything. I'm not worrying about a lot of the reasons that he's skipping trades. But he did have a profitable day. So definitely check out the website and see how somebody that knows what they're doing is trading the system. Anyway, got to get ready for this meeting this morning. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And we're going to do some more random testing. Alright, take care.